POC Network here, and we have another unboxing, this time once again coming from the company ROAV, which is a company by Anker. And this is one of their new products. This is called the VIVA. This is a Vehicle Integrated Voice Assistant. Or in other words, a 12-volt power supply for 2 USB ports with fast charging, and it connects via Bluetooth to your phone and your car and has Alexa inside, built in. So it's a very smart USB 12-volt charger. But for now, we're going to go inside. We're going to look what's inside the box before you go to our website later on at POCnetwork.net, which will have a story which actually talks about what we felt about the product itself, so you can see if we liked it or not. But for now, let's take a look at what it looks like. It's kind of like an open book presentation. Has some paperwork here. Has a unhappy or happy cards. This is more of a customer service card to see how you like it. Some little cards that kind of talk about the features, music services supported by, navigation, and making calls. And most of it is just how to talk to Alexa, really. Then you have an owner's manual right here that'll walk you through. Looks like it's all in English. So it's just one big instruction manual to walk you through all the various features and how to set it up. And this is the charger. So again, it's really just a 12-volt charger. Doesn't look much different than any other one, except for the fact, if you peel this off right here, you'll notice that there's a button with a little microphone on it, and this actually triggers the listening mode of Alexa. So that way you can control when the voice assistant is actually listening or not, in case you are kind of worried about it always listening all the time. And connection, or connectivity at least, is pretty much similar to any other 12-volt adapter. You just plug it into your car. It has 2 USB ports on the bottom, and then of course that mic button on the front to enable or disable microphone listening. You can ask the voice assistant for obviously directions, making phone calls, weather, or anything else, and more than likely gets its connectivity via your phone by interacting with the app, so that way your phone's internet connection can provide it with everything it needs. So for more information about this and see what we like about this, make sure to go to our website at POCnetwork.net. Later on, we'll run a story on this once we've tested it out and figured out if we like it or not. We'll let you know. So POCnetwork.net, and as always, we thank you for watching. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.